This is Dr. Dunaway with Chiro Strength, and today's video is going to be about a good corrective drill to relieve a lot of extension-based back pain in the low back and the neck. So a common exercise for strengthening this posterior chain is the Superman. So I'm going to have Hunter perform the example of what a typical Superman looks like. So go ahead and extend everything. Good, hold that. This is getting a lot of extension to the posterior chain, but he's really biasing the CT junction and getting a lot of extension here at the lumbosacral junction. Go ahead and relax. So what's going on is he is using a lot of erector strength down here in the low back and a lot of erector strength up here in the CT junction, and he's hinging at those areas. So this is actually going to irritate an extension-based back pain because those erectors are already aggravated. So what we're going to do is try to target the deep stabilization muscles, kind of share that extension force throughout the entire posterior chain, and desensitize that spine to extension very slowly using the modified Superman. So this is how we set it up. We're going to have you point the toes, and when you point the toes, I want you to contract the quads and bring the legs just slightly off the ground. Good. He's going to hold that position there. And then what he's going to do, he's going to pack the chin, so give a nice good chin retraction, push a little bit through your forearms, and now what I'm going to have him do is slowly take pressure off the arms here until they're just slightly hovering above the ground. And once he can hold that position without coming more into extension, because a lot of times after they release pressure off here, they'll come into extension. So if that's the case, we'll relax down and tell them, as soon as you press or release pressure off the forearms, make sure you don't come into extension further. So point the legs, hover just above, push neck retraction, push through the forearms. Now slowly let pressure off, keeping everything else still. And now he has shared extension through the entire spine, the glutes, hamstrings, calves, and we hold this for up to a minute. Go ahead and relax. Most people won't be able to hold that for a minute, so we'll do reps of 10 or 15 seconds to accumulate a good minute hold. Now, obviously, if it's irritated to the point to where this minor extension hurts, we regress that. But this is a good drill for either extension-based pain in the neck or extension-based pain in the back in the context of other corrective drills that are specific to the condition. But the modified Superman is a great way to start introducing extension into that spine and allowing them to recover and de-stress those erector spinae. So if you have any questions, you can always reach me at drdunaway@chirostrength.com. Shoot me an email with your question. You can reach us at 931-321-1414. And like I always say, don't just mend, transcend. Thanks.